Simple question coming from Senator Joel Villanueva o ni si Senator Jingo Estrada. Anong papel mo doon? Bakit ka pumunta ng Indonesia para kausapin si Go Huaping? Anong papel mo? Sige.
Madam Chair,
You convince us.
Senator Sherwin.
this has no connection to your case.
Yeah.
Kaya pag hindi ka sasagot, you can be
Cited.
cited in contempt.
At saka, who told you that Go Huaping was in Indonesia? Eh nung panahong
nga.
yun, sinasabi pa ng PNP na at ng law enforcement in general na hindi pa nila alam noon na umalis si Go Huaping. So, paano mo alam na nandun pala siya sa Indonesia?
Actually, Your Honor, that happened after your announcement.
So, you heard about it, General Makapas heard about it, or PNP IG heard about it, and you're the person they sent to meet her in Indonesia?
No,
So what happened? Paano mo nakausap si Go Huaping sa Indonesia? Was it face-to-face? Was it a video call? How did you do it?
there was a pre-talk po here because
By video?
No,
No.
dito pa po sa Pilipinas, Your Honor, before
Face
we
to
went to
face?
Indonesia. No, Your
No.
Honor. It was through a telephone call.
Okay.
It was through a telephone call that she signified na surrender po siya.
Okay.
Then, during the time po, when she signified na magsusurrender po siya, sabi niya, susulat daw muna siya. She will write everything daw po muna.
Right what?
Kung ano ang the real story
Uh-huh.
bago po siya mag-surrender.
Okay.
Para po, if something happens to her, then may makakaalam.
What something would happen to her?
I don't know, Your Honor,
Mhm.
but that was the words during that time po.
May makakaalam.
Yes po.
And
So,
then,
we did not know that she was in Indonesia. She
Who-
was,
who we? PNP IG and General Macapas and you?
I actually keep in touch with,
With whom?
with the lawyer, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney David. Okay.
Yes,
And
Your
then?
Honor. And we really tried our best na sana mag-surrender siya kasi gusto naman po talaga daw niyang mag-surrender.
Madam Chair, if I
Okay.
may.
Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Who are you to meet Jade? Who gave you the authority to go to Indonesia and talk to Alice Go?
Actually, we were not the first time po, Your Honor, we were not able to talk to Alice Go.
Yes.
The first-
You told me that you told us, the committee, that you went to Indonesia
Yes,
Correct?
Your Honor.
just to
Yes.
talk to Alice Go and
For
let
her
her
to surrender po. Yes,
Yeah.
Your Honor.
Yes. Who are you nga to do so? Who are you to meet Jade? Did Secretary Abalos or the Chief PNP give you the go signal to talk to her? I don't think
No,
so.
no, sir.
Oh, so who gave you the go signal to talk to her? You being a private
Civilian.
citizen. You're not even connected in any government agency here. Correct?
Yes, Your
So who gave you the go signal to talk to her, to go to Indonesia, just to talk to her for her surrender?
Well,
Huh?
I was just helping, Your Honor.
Excuse
You were what? You were just helping.
You are just
Helping who?
My
It's a
goodness.
very
Helping who,
sensitive
Madam Chair?
case.
Helping
Senator
who?
De La Rosa.
This is too much lie, Madam.
Helping who?
I am not lying, Your Honor.
O si you
Promise.
helping who?
Helping.
Sino? Sino tinutulungan mo?
You know why you're lying? You keep on telling us baloney information. You said you were top because you're friends with Mayor Kalugay. Now you don't need Mayor Kalugay to talk to her because apparently you've been talking to her before you went to Indonesia.
Speaking
Only
of
on a
Indonesia, just a minute, could we ask the BI to confirm si Miss Maslog ba, or using the name of Francisco, pumunta ba siyang Indonesia at that time?
We will verify your.
Please po, and if possible, Commissioner, during this hearing, Senator Sherwin?
Madam Chair, just to remind the body, itong taong to, 26 years ago, nagnakaw ng 24 million, nagpanggap ng namatay para hindi siya makulong, tumakas sa Amerika, at ngayon bumalik dito at bigla nilang himala, gustong tumulong. Dapat maalala natin na kung buhay pa ito, nakakulong na ho ngayon. 26 years ago.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na?
Pro tempore.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na? Para matakasan mo yung kaso, ganun ba? Yun na sigurong solusyon. Nagpanggap na patay ka na. Sagot. Come on. You answer.
Ms. Maslog.
That case still pending, sir, in Sandigan Bayan, sir.
While you are considering or reconsidering your answers to us, so Attorney David, based din sa sinabi ni Ms. Maslog, alam nyo at that time na Guo Huaping was out of the country already kasi nag-uusap kayo nagsusubok kayo ni Ms. Maslog, kumbinsihin siyang surrender. Please come to the mic, Attorney.
No, your Madam Chair, hindi po. Nalaman ko lang ho nung nahuli yung dalawa.
Nung nahuli sina Cassandra Leong at Sheila Guo.
Yes, yes. Ma'am.
So before that was when Ms. Maslog was supposedly together with you convincing Guo Huaping to
Yeah, because
surrender.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Madam Chair. Because she was coordinating with me and I was also coordinating with her for the surrender. Kasi si Alice wanted to surrender even during those days pa. Pero takot nga because of the threat. So fortunately, they came to me. So yun, there was a negotiation for the surrender. Until I learned that, yun na nga, sabi niya ni Madam Jessica na nasa ibang bansa, hindi ko maalala kung saan. But na-intercept na yung dalawa. So I called her. Is it true na-intercept? Yun, kaya sabi ko, kung talagang nalaman ko for the first time, nasa abroad sila.
Madam Chair, if I may lang,
Senator Joel.
just on that, attorney,
Attorney,
sorry,
please.
why were you trusting her? Why were you talking to her?
Well, as mentioned by her, she was with top brass of the PNP. How can I not trust her?
Top brass.
Did you know her before? Did you know her before?
No,
Yes, Mr.
no, Your Honor. I met her during the. They
Nun-
came to me.
Nung nagka-problema na.
They came to me and they wanted to negotiate with the surrender of Alice, Mayor Alice.
So according to the question of Senator Villanueva, did you trust her?
I
Naniniwala ka kagad?
I trusted her because she was with top PNP brass.
Yung sinasabi niya si General Makaspak?
Yes.
Kapas?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
So she's with him, with General Macapas, when he
Yes,
talked,
yes,
they
sir.
talked to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wow.
So, Miss Jessica, can you complete the story? Paano mo nakausap si Guo Huaping dun na sa Indonesia?
Actually, it's on the second, na po, yung nahuli na po si Miss Alice. And,
So, paano nangyari?
I really would like to request for an executive